When people know that you understand them, they go from just sitting back and listening to leaning in and engaging. What happens is you're seen not as an outsider who's speaking to people, but you're seen as an insider, a guide that's helping people move forward in their leadership journey. And that's when the keynote goes from feeling like it's just another part of the day and starts feeling like this really belongs. Hi, I'm Tim Arnold, keynote speaker specifically focusing on helping leaders tap into their full potential. I have the privilege of working with 50 or 60 different organizations a year around the world, helping them tap into the superpower of healthy tension in an either-or world, showing them why the power is leading with and. Today I'm with Bioped, a foot care organization that has franchises right across the country. For the last few months, I've been visiting stores, I've been chatting with their leaders, learning about their current challenges, their opportunities, so that today's presentation integrates all of that so it's relevant and it's timely. We've had the privilege of coming alongside Bioped now for a number of years to learn about your organization and to help explore what kind of leadership and team skills would it take for us to tap into our full potential, individually and collectively. For today to be a huge success, it can't be one size fits all. For Bioped to feel like not only were their expectations met but exceeded, I've got to actually speak their language. If I use customer versus client, store versus clinic, the wrong language immediately has people say he doesn't understand us. The right language makes people say, who's he been talking to? He understands us. When I'm talking about some of the tensions that their clinics and their organization as a whole wrestle with, and I get it right, they feel like I'm someone on the inside.
Hi, I'm Pete Scully, President CEO of Bioped Foot Care. So what we really appreciated with Tim's approach is that he built in language that we were already using in our organization into the presentation. That allowed our team to understand the depth of what was being taught and not try to figure out the basics of what was actually being said. Made all the difference in the world.
It'd be easy maybe for a few people to say, oh, well, this session's not for me. Wrong.
It's very easy to connect with what he's saying. He uses great terminology that's easy to understand, really concise tips and tricks of how what he's saying can be brought into your everyday life.
After seeing Tim's presentation today, Tim inspired me to be a better leader and to work harder at relationships and feel more confident doing that.
No matter who I'm working with, the goal from a keynote is that certainly people are engaged and inspired, but more importantly than that, that this has long-term impact. That as an organization, we're speaking the same language around some really important leadership competencies. So my encouragement for you is don't let this day be one and done. Like, let this be even the start of these conversations just becoming embedded in the organization. When people know that you understand them, they don't just sit back and listen, they lean forward and engage. And all of a sudden, you go from being this outsider speaking to people to being seen as an insider, a guide, helping people move forward in their leadership journey.
What Tim and Leaders for Leaders did for us was spend time with us to get to know and understand our business and ask us questions and repeat our thoughts to make sure that they truly understood what we needed and what we were looking to achieve with this conference.
So if you're planning a conference or an event and you need a keynote that truly delivers, let's jump on a call. I would love to team up, and together I know we could do something amazing. I want you to just open yourself to the concept that maybe the word that we need to use more than any other word in the year forward is this powerful word, and. Thank you so much.